Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the M5 badge and required tools so you can flash reliably. Plug in the device and confirm battery health above 50% to avoid mid-flash failures. Next, install the development environment, Arduino IDE or VS Code with Platform I/O plus the M5 core libraries so build targets are available. Also prepare a USB-C cable and a UART adapter for serial access, and export an existing firmware backup so you can restore if needed. Now you fetch the CPM project source and select the branch matching your badge hardware. This ensures pin mappings and drivers are correct. Then edit Platformio. In I or build settings, pick the board, set upload port, and add build flags for features you need so the binary includes required modules. Run the build, watch for missing libraries or header errors, and fix them by installing cores or adjusting include paths. Once compilation finishes, the output bin will be created and ready for flashing. To complete, put the badge into bootloader or serial upload mode and use a tool or platform I/O to flash the generated bin. Make sure to specify the correct flash frequency and erase flags to avoid corrupt states. After upload, open a serial monitor at 115,200 to observe boot messages and verify that CPM services initialize. Enable features via CFG or config file as necessary. If something goes wrong, restore your backup firmware, check USB and adapter wiring, and reflash with verbose logging to trace the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.